Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Search Console reports for workflow-driven SEO tasks. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Search Console reports for workflow-driven SEO tasks, start by logging into your Google Search Console account. Once signed in, navigate to the property associated with the website you want to work on. On the left sidebar, locate the option labeled Performance and click on it. This will take you to the overview of your site's performance data, which includes key metrics such as total clicks, total impressions, average click-through rate, and next, you can customize the date range to analyze specific periods relevant to your SEO workflow. Look for the Pages, Queries, Countries, and Devices tabs above the performance graph. Click on each tab to access detailed reports tailored to your analysis needs. Pay attention to the Queries tab, as it provides a list of search queries driving traffic to your site. You can export this data by clicking on the Export button for further analysis and integration into your workflow. To dive deeper into your site's performance, utilize the Coverage report in the left sidebar. This report will inform you about indexed pages, errors, and warnings that may impact your SEO efforts. Address any issues by clicking on the specific error types for detailed information, allowing you to fix them promptly. Next, explore the Enhancements section to review structured data and other features that can enhance your visibility in search results. Use the Mobile Usability report to ensure your site is optimized for mobile users. Regularly check the Links section to analyze internal and external links pointing to your site. Identify opportunities for internal linking improvements and monitor backlink health to strengthen your SEO strategy. Lastly, set up scheduled reports or alerts to keep your SEO efforts on track and make data-driven decisions more efficiently. Using these Search Console reports effectively can significantly enhance your workflow-driven SEO tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.